In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the three type of Facebook ads that are getting our insurance agents under $10 leads. Now, these are leads for home insurance, auto insurance, trucking insurance, commercial insurance. If you're a PNC agent, we're getting leads under $10. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Nato, and I did have an insurance agency that I built to 7 figures and I sold 2 years ago. And since then, I've been helping insurance agents do the same thing, mainly through paid ads and automation and AI. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you those exact type of ads that are working right now, so that way you can also go and get $10 and below leads, and you can stop buying leads from other aggregators that are shared leads that you have to fight for. These are you can create your own exclusive leads. So let's go ahead and show you. Okay, so before I show you some of the actual Facebook ads that are working, let me just show you some proof. This is ads, home insurance ads here in Texas. I'm also located in Texas, where we're getting $9 leads for home insurance. And this is a California auto insurance ads that's doing very well. It's getting $6 to $7 leads. I expect this to go probably a little bit higher, up to $10. But this one's converting very, very well for this client in California. And then Spanish ads. For those of you guys that are running Spanish or have Spanish clients, Spanish ads are doing very well on Facebook. They always have. And the reason why is because there's literally no competition. There's probably nobody in your area running these Spanish ads. So if you have any Spanish clients, you have some Spanish salespeople in your office, I recommend running Spanish ads for home, auto, and commercial. This particular Spanish auto ad is doing $8 leads, and the insurance agent is closing these at a 6x ROAS, meaning for every dollar he's spending, he's getting $6 back. So if he spends $1,000 a month, he's getting $6,000 back, and that's upfront. As you know, insurance, when you sell something, you try to get a referral. So that's how you multiply your ROAS, is not only upfront, try to get that referral, try to get that review. But yeah, Spanish ads do very, very well across the board in every state that I've tried. And this particular state that they're running these auto ad campaigns is Virginia. And then trucking leads. I know I mentioned $10 leads, but the trucking ads are a little bit more expensive, but the return is a lot higher. Because as you guys, if you sell any type of commercial, the price for commercial insurance is a lot higher. So this client of mine he's doing this in Georgia, North Carolina, and I believe Virginia, but he's getting a 10x ROAS. So for every dollar he's spending, he's getting $10 back on these trucking ads. So if you're running trucking ads, let me know. We can set this up for you. And then we have a unique ad that we've ran a lot. And one of our strategies here is to get loan officers to send us business. And the way we do that is we help them generate new home buyer leads for them, meaning we will generate leads for people looking to buy a house. We send those to our mortgage people, and in return, the mortgage people send us their insurance business. As you guys know, when a mortgage person has to close on a house, they have to get insurance, so they work with an insurance agent. This was my biggest strategy when I was building my insurance agency, was doing exactly this. And the return on this is so much higher than anything else, because we can get leads very inexpensive. And once we get a loan officer sending us business and we built that relationship, that loan officer sending you business every single month. I'll make another video explaining the whole strategy for that, but just know we're getting very inexpensive leads for those new home buyers. Okay. And this particular client is in Minnesota. So this works in every state. As long as there's people that own houses that need insurance, this will work for. The only states I haven't ran ads for is Alaska, and there's about 3 states I haven't ran in, but Alaska is one. But like I said, if people have homes, have cars, need insurance, this will work in every state. So, okay, now let's get to it. What type of ads are we running to get this type of lead cost? I'm going to show you. One is called UGC Ads. Now, UGC stands for User Creative Ads. And what it is basically like a spokesperson talking about, it could be yourself, but I know a lot of insurance agents don't like to be on camera, or it could be somebody else talking about your product. I created these in using AI, and these work really well as long as you have a good hook, meaning a good hook would be something like, you want to call out the city or state that you're in. I'll give you an example. Texas, has your home insurance gone up in the last month? And then problem solution, meaning how you can solve that problem. And then CTA would be the call to action, meaning after everything's finished, what do you want that client to do? Meaning we usually will send them to a landing form where they can fill out the information, gather the information so we can give them a call or we can follow up. So let me show you how this ad sounds so you can get an idea of how these UGC ads look.
Wisconsin homeowners, has your mortgage payment gone up this year? Mine did, and honestly, it hit me hard. I couldn't understand why until I looked closer and realized my home insurance had almost doubled. My payment jumped so much, I started wondering how I was even going to afford it. A friend of mine mentioned this site that helps you find cheaper home insurance in Wisconsin through a local agent. And so I tried it, and I am so glad I did. I saved over $1,000 a year. It was quick and easy. Just enter your info and they will reach out to help. Wisconsin homeowners.
Oh, okay. So the reason why these type of ads do so well is because it's like a real customer talking. And when you're scrolling down Facebook, this will grab their attention. Which, by the way, let me show you how one of these ads will look like when someone's scrolling on Facebook. So let's just say someone's scrolling on Facebook. They're just, looking at family, looking at cat videos. This is what an ad how it would come across. Something like this. So these are the type, and here's another ad. So it'll say sponsored, and then they'll click on learn more. So back to the type of ads that are working. Here's another variation that we use. This one we use female. Now, another reason this works so well is because we can create hundreds of these type of ads to test really fast. And we can know really fast and really quick to see which ones are working and which ones are not. And I'll show you later how we go about doing that. So here's another one. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but you can kind of see now this one's someone that's outside. People recognize, okay, yeah, my house looks like that. And they can, this is really relatable. This is an ad that's really relatable and that catches people's attention. Okay, the second type of ad that's been working really well for us is these breaking news ads. It's basically like someone that's a news anchor and is reporting on a certain thing dealing with insurance. For example, on this one, the one I created was for someone in Houston saying, Houston homeowners, has your insurance rates gone up? So I'll let you guys listen to this, and it'll start off with breaking news.
We have breaking reports that millions of American homeowners may be drastically overpaying for their home insurance, and most don't even know it. Experts say the hidden culprit isn't your lender, it's your home insurance quietly increasing inside your escrow.
So these type of ads, they'll definitely stop somebody from scrolling on Facebook and seeing what's going on. And the goal on this is to not only stop them in their tracks where they're looking through Facebook, but also just relating like, yes, my insurance has gone up. So these breaking news ads are doing really well also for us. The third type of ad that's doing well for us is these Sora type of ads. It's basically, if you guys haven't heard of Sora 2, basically you can create these realistic type videos on using Sora and also VO3. And I'll show you these type of videos. These are, you can do some funny videos, or you can do some that call the attention of the lead, like Wisconsin homeowners in this case. So let me just show you one that was kind of funny, that's working really well.
My home insurance went up again? Mom!
Hey, compare rates at this website. That agent works for you.
Text me the link.
We will compare rates with several companies to get you the best rate. We work for you, not the insurance companies.
Don't be like Karen. Compare quotes with affordable insurance.
And at the end, what we do is we just put the insurance agent's logo and phone number. That way they can give them a call. So these work really well also. And another type of Sora ad is this type, where we call out the like the Wisconsin homeowner on top, and we tell them what the ad's about. So I'll let you guys listen to this one real quick.
Wisconsin homeowners, did your mortgage payment go up this year? Let me guess, your home insurance almost doubled. If you're struggling to afford your mortgage, then I recommend this site that helps you find cheaper home insurance through local agents. You can save thousands. It's quick, easy, and worth checking.
And at the end, we also put the logo, and a lot of times we will also put the phone number. Now, these types of ads work really well. We also, once in a while, will throw in some image ads that look like this. This is the type of ad that most people are running, just an image ad. And the reason why that doesn't work anymore is because with the updates that Facebook has done, especially recently with an update called Andromeda, Facebook really is giving the advantage to people that are making better videos, better images, better creatives. And that's how you can win with some versus someone with a big budget. Is if your ads are better than your competition, you will get a lower cost on your ads. So this is how we kind of set up these campaigns. Is we will put these type of ads that I just showed you, like a UGC ad. We'll put 2 of those. We'll put 2 Sora ads. We'll put a breaking news ad. And then once in a while, we'll also throw in an image ad in here. And what happens is, let's just say once we're testing everything and this UGC ad is getting us $5 leads. That's good. This ad here, for whatever reason, is getting us $30 leads. This one is getting us 50. This one is getting us 4. And this one is getting us 9. Now, honestly, any lead probably under $20 is acceptable, but $30 will probably kill that ad. We'll kill this ad. And then what we'll do is we'll keep these 3 running, but we'll replace these ads with new creatives until we get the desired result. And we keep doing that until we're getting the best type of ads possible that are converting, because it doesn't matter if you're getting $4 or $5 leads if you're not converting. The main goal is to convert on these ads. So that's how we go about testing different creatives. And the reason we can do this a lot faster is because of AI. We can create a ton of videos just like the ones I just showed you, pretty quick, calling out your different state and different cities. And then what happens after the ad, the ones that are winners, they fill out their information. Then we put them in what I call our fully automated follow-up system, where they get texts, emails, and sometimes even a phone call. What happens when the ad comes in, we actually alert the salesperson to give the lead a call right away. And if he doesn't, the client will still receive a text and the email right away. A lot of sales are also done in text nowadays. So that way, if your salesperson doesn't give them a call, they're going to get a text right away where the salesperson can go back and talk to them. And then that's what leads them to a quote. And this is what we've been setting up for different agents. And I myself personally have spent over $1 million on insurance ads. I know what works and I know what doesn't. We use the same systems to build my insurance agent, and now we're helping other insurance agents do the same. So if you guys want us to create not only the ads for you, but also the follow-up sequence and the whole full system, we can set this up for you so you can stop buying ads where they're shared. And a lot of times when you call the client, they don't even know if they fill out that information. Here, you know, because you own the whole system. So if you want us to set something up like this, there's going to be a link to book a call. What we'll do is we'll just talk about your business to see if we can help you. And on the call, most people get a lot of value out of it, regardless if they end up working with us or not. So, yeah, we can set this up for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.